Welcome to MWW On Demand Tutorials. With our brand new Merch Maker web app, MWW On Demand makes ordering your own custom designed products easier than ever. In this video, we will outline the process for ordering a product through our new Merch Maker portal. For information on how to create an account with MWW On Demand and how to customize a product with our new designer, please refer to our Sign Up and Design a Product videos. After you have logged into our Merch Maker web app, you will arrive at your account's orders page. If you have not yet placed any orders, this page will be empty. Here, however, you can see an active account with several orders in various stages of production. To place a new order, simply click the New Order button, which will take you to your product library. If you have not yet designed a product, please refer to our Design a Product video. In this active account, you can see that there are several pages of customized products. Let's select this men's 4-ounce crew neck t-shirt, which will take us to the item's product details page. Here you can see the variants that have been selected for availability for this design. Select as many variants as needed for this order and click Add to Order. The variants are now added to your shopping cart. You can select and add more variants or go directly to your cart for checkout. In your cart, you can view the products by variant that you've added to your order. Here you can specify the quantity of each variant you would like to order. You also have the option of adding more products to this order if desired. The Add More Products button takes you back to your products library, where you can continue to select items to add to this order. Let's add this women's racerback tank to our order. Again, select your variants, click Add to Order, and return to your cart once you are done. You have the option to edit your shipping and billing information directly if needed for this order. Once the order is complete and ready to be placed, click the Place Order button. A window will appear asking if you would like to submit the order without a delay. If you are completely satisfied with your order, you can click Yes, and the order will be immediately submitted to our system for processing. If you think you need to further review, edit, or even cancel this order, however, you may want to click No, giving you the opportunity to adjust your order before our system begins processing it. In either case, you will be taken back to your account's orders page. Your latest order will appear at the top of the list with an order status of New. In this case, since a delay was applied to processing the order, we can edit or cancel the order from this page if needed. We have the option here of customizing the length of the delay. Keep in mind that the order will not begin processing until the delay has passed. From the orders page, you have few actions available to you for this order. You can view the order's details, including order number, shipping and billing information, order price, variant information, and so on. You can download an Excel file of your order's details as well and cancel your order if desired. Since we do not actually want to place this particular order, we will go ahead and cancel it now. Keep in mind that this option will not be available if you choose not to apply a delay to the order when initially placed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. For more information, please visit our website or reach out to us at the address below. We look forward to working with you as an MWW On Demand customer and can't wait to see what you create with us.